Hey, what's up? Nick from Insty here. Just got done helping a customer get the green lock on her WordPress site. So I'll show you exactly what we did. It'll only take a few minutes, all right? So come over with me to the computer and I'll show you what you need to do to get it working. So I was working with Connie today. She's got a site called improveyourbrain.games and she was having trouble getting the little lock to show. And if you could see right here, it says your connection to the site is not fully secure. So what this means is that there's stuff inside the site, because you can see where it says certificate is valid, but there's stuff inside the site that does not allow it to fully show that green lock. So just to preface this whole thing, you need to have an SSL certificate set up inside your site. If you don't have one, reach out to your host or go to a host that has them included, like Insty.me, where we have the right tools and the right help so you can actually enjoy building your business online. Usually what happens is that you have some pictures inside the site, and I'll show you here. I'll go to inspect and then pull up my console down here, and the console inside Chrome will usually show us what we got. So if I click right over here at this 10, and you can see these images that are in here, and the images that are actually in WP content. So these are things that she uploaded to her site. And so there's a couple things you can do. You go under settings, go to general settings, and then you check your WordPress address under the URL and your site address under the URL. If you change this from HTTP to HTTPS, that will sometimes kick it in so that those links will turn into secure links. Now, we went ahead and changed this, and unfortunately we still saw the insecure link up here. So what this pointed out to me is that there's probably an issue with the theme, and when you upload information into this theme, probably hard codes it into the database. So the next thing we have to do is go into our plugins and install a Better Search and Replace. So if you go to plugins and you go to search, install Better Search and Replace, and then you go to the plugin, put in the search for http:// and replace with https:// The first thing you should do is do a dry run. You can select all the tables and then it'll tell you how many cells and how many things it would need to update. It's always good to, before you do the Better Search and Replace, to have a backup of your WordPress site somewhere. And so if you need a hand with that, reach out to your host, as they can recommend what you can do to do a backup of your site. If your host doesn't get back to you and things like that, then definitely consider checking out a host that will get back to you. A host like Insty, where we give you the right tools and the right help so you can actually enjoy building your business online. Just thought I would get that out there. So make sure you have a backup of your site, then run Better Search and Replace the information, and then when you go to check out your site, you should have the connection is secure. Now, doing these two things will usually, I would say 98% of the time, take care of all the issues that you have. If you have other things or it's just not working, I definitely recommend that you send a message into your host and see if they can give you a hand, because they would then have access to a lot of the stuff inside your site, and they could probably tell you right off the bat what one is actually causing the issue. And of course, if you ever need some help, ever need a hand, feel free to drop a comment down below. We'll do our best to help, or reach out to us and we'll be glad to help any way we possibly can. Thanks so much. My name is Nick. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.